Hello genius guys, in this video we are going to do a Python program, specially addition program in one line. So let's see what are the techniques to do this programming just one line. So first of all I will take here values a and b, okay, likewise a and b. After that I am assigning here input and another one put. This is input function we use to take an input from user. Okay, so as you know, by default value comes in string, so we have to convert it into a float values. Okay, this is in float. Okay, conversion, so we have converted this in float. Okay, so now we are going to give here a semicolon. Okay, we have to terminate this statement, and after that we have to print here addition. Okay, so addition is like a plus b, so and this double inverted and bracket close, so we have to give here f for the format, and after that if you want to terminate then you can, or otherwise no need. So let's see. Now I am entering here 20, I am entering here 30. So let's see addition. So this is one line program. I will tell you another enhanced program for get for get a good output. Okay, so here you can also write here enter first value. Okay, and give here colon for good appearance. Okay, here also enter second value. Okay, and here colon for good appearance. So now you can see here addition. So we will enter here first value is 30 and second is 20, and you can see the addition is 50. Okay, so now we are going to do a program without using any variable. So let's see how to do it. So I am writing here print statement. Okay, this print statement I will take here, I will copy this print statement. Okay, or otherwise I will directly type. Okay, sum addition is a plus, sorry, we are just giving this bracket empty, and we are using here format. Okay, format. Okay, so we will take this entire expression. Okay, this statement as it is. Okay, don't copy this. Okay, you can copy this and we are closing this bracket of this function, and after that print function also, and we have not used here any variable. And now you can see here we are entering here 50 and here we are entering 10. So you can see the result. Oh my god, what happened? Something is missing. Okay, so here instead of comma we are going to give here what? Plus. Okay, instead of comma we will take here plus, because when the value is coming then directly the addition of value will be calculated. Okay, so now you can see here 50 and here this is 10 and this is output 60. And thanks for watching this video. If you like this video then click on like button. Bye bye.